In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Zoho CRM. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's go right into it.
First, head over to the Zoho website. This is where it all begins. You can find Zoho's comprehensive cloud software suite right there. It's designed specifically for businesses that need to manage their contacts and work efficiently. After reaching the website, your next step is to sign in. Locate the sign in button. Usually you'll find it at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. This will grant you access to Zoho's wide array of business tools. Once you're signed in, navigate to Zoho Home. This serves as the central hub for all the applications and services Zoho offers. From here, you want to direct your attention to the CRM or Customer Relationship Management software. Find the icon labeled CRM and give it a click. This action will open up the CRM dashboard, which is essential for managing a varied pool of client information efficiently. On the CRM interface, you'll need to head to the Contacts section. Contacts is where you store all the details about your existing clients, and it's also the place to import any new contacts. When you click on Contacts, you'll notice an arrow pointing downwards. This icon indicates the drop-down menu. Go ahead and click it to reveal additional options. In this drop-down, you'll see the Import Contacts option. Clicking on this will launch the import wizard. This tool guides you through the process of uploading your contacts, whether they're stored in a spreadsheet or another format. Follow the prompts to select your file and map the fields appropriately, ensuring that all necessary data such as names, phone numbers, and email addresses are correctly aligned with Zoho's fields. Once you've confirmed all is in order, finalize the import process. Zoho CRM will quickly populate your database with the new contact entries, seamlessly integrating them into your existing system. This feature is particularly useful for managing large volumes of client data efficiently. Importing contacts into Zoho CRM doesn't have to be an intimidating task. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure all client information is imported correctly and ready to be used to its full potential. Whether you're managing hundreds or thousands of contacts, Zoho CRM makes it simple and intuitive to keep your business connections organized. And there you have it, importing contacts into Zoho CRM simplified. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on using Zoho effectively. Thanks for watching,